So, love, this is it. Kaslo na ta after 8 years. 3 months in planning. Mahuma na gid ato tanan. Makasal na gid ta. Happy, excitement, tapos ginervous gid.
We first met at social media, then naay siya post na curious lang ko, so gi-PM na ko siya.
College days. Tapos, then, dito na yun. Love, 8 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known.
Itong time nga na katong grabe kay ko ka-down, then siya sige comfort sa ko nga makayan ako tanan challenges na gihatag ni God, and wala ko niya gibiyaan.
Thank you! Love sa hundreds na kalibutan sa bisan unsang version sa realidad, mangitaon ko ikaw, bilyon ko ikaw, I love you. Thank you kay ani nga gift, love. Love you.
Sir, Shopee.
Shopee, yeah.
4 wheels move the body, 2 wheels move the soul. Love, accept this gift as a symbol of my love to you. Ride safe, love you. Sana all. Love, thank you for this gift. I love you.
You have been my best friend to the good and bad. You have been the reason that I smile, and you have given comfort beyond measure when I cry. You have believed in me when no one else would, and you have shown me how to love with passion, purity, and unconditional acceptance. I'm not sure a lifetime is long enough to return all you have given to me, but I promise the rest of my days I'll spend by your side. Love you. I love you, love. See you later.
Ikaw ang pinaka maghihatagon nga tawo nga akong nailan, nga buotan, matinutanon ug gwapa.
Oh my God.
Kuha ko ikaw nga akong asawa karon, makapaton og magkupot sa sakit o kahimsog gikan karong adlaw hangtod sa unahan. Ikaw ang mag-unas sa akong kasing-kasing ug atong mga kalag magkayusa. I love you.
Love you. Kiss. Ay!